Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a review for you. I don't know if you've ever tried this. This is elbow grease. I buy this from Home Bargains and at the moment I know it's £1.99. I think it probably always is £1.99 to be honest. Actually, while I've got the bottle in my hand, it does say it's solvent free. You can even use this on fabrics, metals and plastic, and it's an amazing degreaser. But more than that, okay, I'm just going to show you. So today we had corned beef hash and you can see the state of my pan. So I've just literally sprayed it, walked away from it for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to wash it off. And this had the baked beans in it, and I put it back onto the stove, forgetting to turn it off. Yeah, plonker. And so it's burnt, it's all burnt on. So I've sprayed this, and I'm going to see just how well it does, because I've not actually tried it on anything that's been burnt on like this before. So let's get going, shall we? Now I'm going to try and hold it up like that so that you can see. Just going to get my scourer and I'm going to start on the lasagna dish. Look how easily it comes away. It's amazing, this stuff. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to turn it up the other way. Now, I've actually got rheumatoid arthritis and I've got it quite badly in my hands as well, so I cannot rub anything hard. So I'm just sort of going over it normally without any pressure. I'm going to give it a rinse off in the sink here. You still see me that I'm here. Look at that, how amazing is that? I'm just going to rinse my little scour off. There's a couple of little bits that I obviously missed, but I mean they're the smallest, tiniest little bits here. Look. There you go, that's gone. And this is like brand new. Let's try the saucepan. So there's my burnt on baked beans. Let's go, shall we? See what it does. It's a bit hard to do it this way. Hold on. This might need a little bit longer because I don't want it. It's been in soak for 10 minutes, but I don't want to have to rub it too hard. But it's taken quite a lot off, so I'm going to rinse that and then I'm going to spray it again and I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. So now I've sort of worked the top off, if I spray it now, it's going to get right through to the underneath bits. There we go. So I'll be back in 10. Right, 10 minutes is up, so I've come back to another go. Right, managed to do that so far. Let me give this a rinse out. It was a little bit more stubborn than the dish. Obviously it was burnt on. So I did, hold on, I'll just rinse it out. Got my little brush in there to give it a little scrub around as well. Let's have a look. Okay, so just a few more bits in there, look. So I'm going to get my scourer, which isn't a harsh scourer at all. I mean, this isn't a non-stick pan, it's a Le Creuset pan, but it isn't non-stick, and there's no way I'd want to just throw it away. So still just a few bits in there, tiny little bits. So obviously I can't see when the pan's got like this, and it's all sort of sudded up at the bottom. Turn it over. Let's give it another rinse. I tell you what, this is flipping amazing, this stuff. So you knew how burnt on it was. Look at it now. I mean, how good is that? Fabulous stuff. I honestly cannot recommend this stuff high enough. It's amazing. Go get yourself some, guys.